Hi there, now I've finished colouring in this digital stamp, I'm going to put together my card design. Now the papers that I'm using for my card design are from a digital download collection from the Crafty Witches called the Open Mode. It does come with its own toppers, but I just want to use the papers to go with the image that I coloured in. To start with, I've cut my image and a black matte layer out, and the dies that I've used are these ones here, which are a Todo collection. I'm not sure whether you can get that anymore, but anyway, so I've got all my papers and my mats and layers all cut out ready. So first of all, I'm using an 8x8 card base. So my first layer is going to be 19.5 centimeters square, and my second layer is going to be 19 centimeters square. I'm just going to attach those two together. I'm just making sure that my borders are all correctly spaced, and I'm happy with them. Now I'm going to attach this to my card base. Again, just making sure that I'm happy with the borders. Now the next set I've got here, my first matte layer is 19.5 centimeters in length and then 9 centimeters, and then the paper I'm using here is 19.5 centimeters again in length, but taking it down slightly, and it measures 8.5 centimeters in the width. And attach these together. Just bear with me, my glue has stopped working, which is typical. Okay, let's feed that up. So just move that out of the way so I don't get any glue on it. And just, like I said, just attach these two layers together. Bring my card base. Just make sure I've got it opening right, and I'm going to attach that there to the left hand side. And my glue is playing again. I think I freed that a little bit too much. So just going to, like I said, just attach that to the left side there. I've just left a small border of the first paper. Just make sure I'm happy with the levels, and then pop that down. There you go. And then my topper, I attach this to this matte layer. I knew I'd get it the wrong way around. Let's try again. That's better. And that I'm going to add just to the centre of my card. And then then I've got 2 sentiments that I've cut out from the sentiment sheet and made a black matte layer for each of them. So I've got happy birthday, and then I've chosen to use enjoy every moment. Now these I'm actually going to stick on with some foam pads. Just a bit of glue on the foam pads for some extra grip. I'm going to attach that one to there. And place that one just on the bottom. That's it. So just a quick and easy card layout there. So just to recap, the digital image is called Hamster Party, and it's a Hetty Clare digital download image. The paper collection is from the collection from the Crafty Witches called Open Mode, which is again a digital download collection. So I hope you like my card and my cute little hamsters, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.